Are you ready to host the ultimate Galentine's Day gathering? Imagine a celebration filled with laughter, love, and decor so stunning that your friends can't stop talking about it. Stay tuned because I'm sharing top-notch Galentine's decor ideas to make your celebration unforgettable. What are the essential elements of Galentine's Day decor? Color palette. Opt for soft pastels, bold pinks, and reds for a cohesive and festive look. These shades evoke warmth and joy, setting the perfect Galentine's vibe. Themed decor. Include heart-shaped balloons, banners, and fairy lights for a charming setup. Don't forget to add gal pal signs or custom name tags. Functional aesthetics. Use decorative but functional pieces like heart-themed coasters or rose gold cutlery that add flair without cluttering the table. Hit that like button if you're loving these ideas so far. What DIY decor ideas are perfect for Galentine's Day? Photo garland. Use printed Polaroids of your gal pals and string them up with fairy lights. DIY heart confetti. Cut heart shapes from leftover gift wrap or cardstock to sprinkle over tables. Customize drink station. Decorate glasses with heart-shaped stickers and create a chalkboard sign with fun cocktail names. Check out the description box for my Galentine's DIY playlist for more creative ideas. How can you create an Instagram-worthy table setup? Layered table design. Use a statement table runner or tablecloth in vibrant pinks or glitter. Layer with placemats or chargers for an elevated look. Centerpieces. Go for floral arrangements with roses or tulips. Add candles and chic holders for that magical glow. Personal touches. Include handwritten place cards or small gift boxes for your guests, which double as decor and take-home keepsakes. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite table decor tips. How can you incorporate sustainable or budget